How to get Quickies Nails. Quickies Nails are popular for their convenience, affordability, and stylish designs. Whether you're looking for press-on nails, nail wraps, or quick nail services, Quickies Nails offer a fast, hassle-free way to achieve a polished, salon-quality manicure at home or on the go. Here's a complete guide to getting Quickies Nails. Understand the types of Quickies Nails. Quickies Nails come in different styles and application methods. Choose based on your preference and lifestyle. Press-on nails. Pre-designed nails that stick on with adhesive tabs or nail glue. Nail wrap strips, thin adhesive layers that cover the natural nail for a polished look. DIY. Nail kits. Custom kits with all necessary tools for easy nail application. Choose the right nail type for your needs. Everyday use. Opt for nail wraps or short press-ons that last for days. Special occasions. Longer, more elaborate designs are perfect for events. Reusable nails. High-quality press-on nails can be removed and reapplied later. Decide on nail shape and length. Quickies. Nails come in a variety of shapes to match your personal style. Square, classic and clean look. Oval, soft, feminine shape. Coffin, sage ballerina, trendy and modern. Stiletto, bold and edgy. Almond, a balance between natural and elegant. Pick your preferred design. There are countless designs and finishes available. Solid colors, classic nudes, bold reds, or trendy pastels. French tips, a timeless favorite. Glitter and chrome, perfect for special events. Patterns and art, floral, geometric, marble, or custom prints. Where to buy Quickies Nails. Online stores. Numerous websites sell Quickies Nails with a wide range of designs. Beauty supply shops. Visit local stores to see the products in person. Drugstores and supermarkets. Many brands are available in general retail stores. Nail salons. Some salons offer custom press-on services for convenience. How to apply Quickies Nails. Step 1. Clean and dry your nails thoroughly. Step 2. Push back cuticles and lightly buff the nail surface. Step 3. Choose the correct size for each nail. Step 4. Apply adhesive tabs or glue as instructed. Step 5. Press each nail down firmly for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 6. Avoid water exposure for the first hour to ensure a strong bond. How to remove Quickies Nails. Soak nails in warm soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently lift the edges with a cuticle stick. For stubborn glue, use a small amount of acetone-based remover. Care and maintenance tips. Avoid prolonged exposure to water or harsh chemicals. Use a nail file to adjust shape and length as needed. Store reusable nails in their original packaging to prevent damage. Cost and durability. Basic sets, $10 to $20. Designer or custom sets, $20 to $50. Longevity, 5 to 10 days with proper care. Quickies Nails offer a stylish, affordable, and time-saving alternative to salon manicures. With various shapes, sizes, and designs available, you can easily find a set that fits your personality and occasion.